My name is Felipe Hermosillo, and I'm with a company called Tempest Lighting. We specialize in enclosure technology. We manufacture enclosures for any kind of projector to be installed in any part of the world. It doesn't matter the weather, if it's too hot or too cold. We have them for indoors and outdoors. Right now we are showing an outdoor blizzard series, and today for this show we are showing our new optional air conditioner. It's a prototype, but this is so you can have this installed in anywhere in the world where there's temperatures over 40 degrees or very humid places like Hong Kong, Singapore. This will guarantee that the projector works within the specified manufacturer specifications. Our company, you can find all the information in our website, tempest.org, or .biz is the same. And you can also read the QR codes and you'll get to the same website. We have the rental products, outdoor, and we have one for indoors as well. So this is our Blizzard 100, which is for projectors up to 10,000 lumens, but we make them from 3,000 all the way to 50,000 lumens. So I don't know what else can I tell you. We are the world leader on this, so we work with most manufacturers from Panasonic, Barco, Christie. They all come to us to protect their very expensive enclosures.